Hi, welcome to HackDavis 2021. We're so glad that you're able to make it today. I'm Ben, co-president of HackDavis. This is our 6th year running this event, and we're so glad that you could join us for the first ever virtual edition of our hackathon. HackDavis is a beginner-friendly hackathon open to collegiate students, and no experience is necessary to participate. We've got so much in store for everyone over the next 36 hours to make HackDavis a fun, exciting, and memorable time filled with new friendships, learning, and growth. I can't wait to see the amazing and world-changing projects you come up with. Now on to the fun part, logistics. What I'm about to say is super important to ensure that you have the best experience possible, so be sure to listen closely. If you miss anything, you can always go back in the live stream to watch it again. First off, check in now. You can check in at HackDavis.io/check-in. Checking in will net you some sweet HackDavis digital swag, as well as allow you to get DoorDash credits later on so you can order some lunch. We'll be giving out 3 food codes during the event, 1 for lunch today, 1 for dinner tonight, and 1 for lunch tomorrow, so keep an eye out for announcements on how to get your food codes. Please keep in mind that it might take a few minutes to receive your food code after filling out the form. If you don't receive it within 10 minutes, please let a director know. Our website at HackDavis.io is your go-to place for all event resources. On our recently updated website, you can see the countdown until hacking ends, submit your project through DevPost, join our Discord to get help and meet other hackers, and so much more. After scrolling down a bit, you can also join our virtual venue on Gather.Town. I'll talk more about this in a bit, but this is also a great place to explore, hang out, and chat with other hackers as if we were in person. Try it out. We'll also be live streaming the entire HackDavis event. Our main live stream will have important announcements and reminders, and will also include live workshops and activities. Sometimes there are multiple workshops happening at once, so we'll have additional live streams for those too, right below this one. In case you miss anything, you can always rewind the live stream to watch it again. We've also got our full hackathon schedule here. You can click the event names to go to their respective meeting rooms to attend the events. If you have questions about the events, feel free to ask in our Discord. And just a note, if an event doesn't have a link that you can click on, that means it's only available in the live stream. So if you want to watch that event, make sure to tune into the live stream. Wondering what prizes we've got? Check out the prizes section on our website. We've listed all the prizes that you're able to earn during the event and how you can get them. You can submit your project into up to 5 prize categories. Everyone's project will be included in the Best Hack for Social Good category, in addition to those that you select. Discord. In case you're not familiar with Discord, it's a text and voice chat platform that we're using as the main way to communicate and connect during our event. You can join by clicking on one of the buttons on our website, or by going to HackDavis.io/join in your browser. Once you join, you'll need to get a role in order to access the rest of the server. Go to the Read Me First channel and read it all, starting from the top. I'm serious. In some of the messages, you'll see role menus. You can get roles by reacting to the messages. React by clicking one of the existing reactions on the message. Make sure to get the hacker role so you can access the rest of the server. After doing that, you'll be able to see the rest of the awesome channels we have available for you. If you're a mentor, please get the mentor role. Discord is not only a great way to chat and hang out with your fellow hackers, but also a great place to get help. If you've got questions, feel free to ask them in the various help channels. If you need help with your project from a mentor, you can use our ticket system to create a ticket. Once you've created a ticket, make sure to let us know what you need help with so a mentor with the right skill set can help you. Getting help from a mentor is an awesome way to push through some of those tricky problems you might encounter. We'll also be making lots of important announcements on Discord, so keep an eye out for those. These announcements might be for workshops, meal codes, or hacking ending soon, so it's in your best interest to pay attention to these announcements. If you need to contact a HackDavis director, feel free to send us a direct message. Right-click one of our names and hit the message button. Otherwise, you can ask questions in the public channels and we'll answer them. We've also got a team mixer coming right up after this opening ceremony. So if you don't have a team yet, this is the perfect time to find some awesome teammates. Additionally, We've also got a team finder on our website that you can use, or you can check out the Find a Team channel on our Discord. Now, on to the Gather.Town, our virtual venue. Gather.Town is a virtual space that you can join in your browser where you can walk around and talk with other hackers face to face. There are mini games and different things to do, so be sure to check it out. There will always be a few directors there too if you want to chat with us. To join Gather.Town, go to our website at HackDavis.io and scroll down until you see the Go to Virtual Venue button. Click that and it'll take you to our Gather.Town. Once you make an account, you'll be able to walk around and chat with everyone else on there. You can even use this space to communicate with your teammates while hacking. You'll need to make an account on DevPost to submit your project. When submitting your project, you will need to submit a video presentation demoing your project. Let me repeat that because it's very important. You need to submit a video presentation of your project when submitting on DevPost. You can include the video as a link in the project description. Feel free to upload it to YouTube. If your team is meeting on Zoom, you can record the Zoom meeting and give the link to that, or upload the video to YouTube. Make sure that the video can be accessed by anyone. On YouTube, make sure that your video is unlisted or public. If the judges can't view your video, they will only be able to read what you have written on your project page. The video must be less than 2 minutes in length. If you need help with uploading videos or have questions or concerns, contact a HackDavis director as soon as possible. Again, let me repeat that one more time because it's critical to the judging process. Hacking ends at 6 p.m. on Sunday. You need to submit your project on DevPost before 7:30 p.m. Pacific on Sunday. In your project description, include a link to a video presentation where you demo your project. Even if your hack isn't done, you should make sure to submit it. Demo what you have and talk about what you have fixed or have added if you had more time. Your project doesn't have to be perfect, so we encourage everyone to submit. But again, make sure to submit before 7:30 p.m. Pacific. We will begin judging and we cannot accept any late submissions. If you are having difficulties, contact a HackDavis director as soon as possible. When you submit, you can select up to 5 prize categories that your project is eligible for that you will be judged on. HackDavis is a beginner-friendly hackathon focused on social good. No matter your skill level, you're welcome here to learn and create something awesome. However, your hack should be social good focused. That is, something that makes the world a better place. There are countless ways that you can apply your skills to benefit others. Even if you don't end up finishing your project, we hope that you walk away from this hackathon inspired to make the world a better place. We partner with nonprofit organizations every year to further emphasize the importance of social good at our hackathon. Here are a couple quick messages from some of our partner nonprofits this year.
Prior to Bryce, I kind of felt like I was just at a standstill, where epilepsy was in the driver's seat. And instead of living my life, I was existing. Bryce has brought me back into living my life. If a seizure occurs, Bryce will alert me. He stays by me after a seizure. Instead of being out of it for a day or two, I'm able to get a medication if I need to, and then a few hours later, I can carry on with the day. And I don't think that would have ever happened without the dog, because my focus was always about what can I do to prevent a seizure, because I had so many, where Bryce allows me to let that go, and it's gave me this rebirth of life again, and be thankful for how many wonderful things I do have. Instead of think about what I can't do, I can focus on all the things I can do. He's given me the I can back.
This is a Gamer's Outreach Cart, or Go-Kart for short. It's a portable video game kiosk built specifically for hospitals. Created and assembled by Gamers Outreach, each unit helps provide recreation to kids and young adults unable to leave their bedsides. The carts can be disinfected easily and have 360 degrees of movement, making them ideal for transport in hospitals. Go-karts can accommodate a variety of gaming consoles. They also come with wired controllers, a gaming monitor, and are equipped with a lift mechanism that allows the height to be adjusted. Go-karts provide a safe, flexible, and efficient way to ensure patients have access to entertainment during long-term hospitalization. To learn more about Project Go-Kart, visit gamersoutreach.org.
This year, we've also got a lot of amazing sponsors that helped make this event possible. There will be a sponsor meet and greet at 1 p.m. today, and we encourage you to attend.
What is good, HackDavis? I'm super stoked to be here this weekend. My name is JP. The two things you need to know about me is that I love video games and I love empowering hackers. That's basically all there is. I'm joined here this weekend by 4 other MLHers, if you can't believe them. Count them 4. Hannah, Michael, Manav, and Rosendo will all be here to help make sure that you are having a good time this weekend at HackDavis. Feel free to hit any of us up if you have any questions whatsoever. So, I'm about to cover a lot of information, but everything you need to know is up at hack.mlh.io. That's basically the one thing I really need you to remember from this whole dang presentation, just hack.mlh.io. So, for a lot of you, this is probably your first hackathon. You may be wondering, what the heck is Major League Hacking? Well, we are the global hacker community. What I mean by that is we help empower over 135,000 hackers, just like yourselves, every single year, connecting them with hackathons, workshops, technical resources, you name it. So, just by being here, you're actually earning points for your school in our season-long contest. If you want to earn more points, grab your friends, bring them along to other MLH events, do whatever you can to get them to log on. It's going to be a good time no matter which one you're participating in. So, what exactly are we up to this weekend? First of all, we're doing the MS Paint Bob Ross mini event that's at 1 p.m. PST. This is a fun way to decompress a little bit before you dive into the nitty-gritty of your projects. We're all going to be painting along with Bob Ross. Should be very relaxing. Let's paint some happy little trees. After that, about 4 hours after that, actually, we're going to be doing the U.S. Air Force Cybersecurity Challenges. These are really fun, more like puzzles than they are programming challenges. Even if you have zero programming, you probably have a lot of fun following through with these. So I definitely recommend you come check it out. Again, it's at 5 p.m. PST today. We're also doing the Draw an Octocat, Win an Octocat promotion with our friends over at GitHub. Just if you are feeling artistic, draw your own interpretation of their wonderful mascot, the Octocat. Send it along in this social media information. Don't worry about memorizing it now. I'm going to drop it in the Discord after. But the winner will win an awesome little Octocat statue. As well with GitHub, we are giving everybody here the Student Developer Pack. If you have a .edu domain, head on over to GitHub Student Developer Pack. Redeem it if you haven't. It's full of tons of free enterprise level software for you to work on. We have got all the resources that you need for this weekend to make whatever project it is that your heart desires. We have hackathon starter kits if you're looking for a good jump off point for a variety of different technologies. Also giving everybody here a free domain, a free.space.tech or .online domain to be specific. Everybody here will get one. Just use the code MLH2021 from our friends over at domains.com. It's on them. If you're looking for something to host that domain on, everybody here is also getting a bunch of free Google Cloud credits, up to $100 worth. Check your email. Head over to that URL for more information. If you need any refills at any MLH event, just ask your representative. At this one, ask me. I'm more than happy to give you more Google Cloud credits to hack on. We are also running a prize category for Google. So if you make an awesome project, you could win a prize in any COVID-19 related project. Could be eligible for up to $5,000 of additional funding from Google Cloud. Unbelievable, right? If you're looking to work with data sets this weekend, which a lot of projects are powered by data, DataStax Astra is databasing as a service. It is a really easy drag and drop solution to slap in some databases up all in your project. Definitely check them out if you're working with data sets this weekend. And if you're looking to work with hardware, whether it's emulated or real physical hardware, we're giving 2 prizes here for the best hardware hacks. So the 2 best hardware hacks will be going home with wonderful prizes for our friends at Digi. So these are, as a recap, all the prizes we have this weekend. I'm super stoked personally about the DigiKey prize category. I love seeing hardware hacks. I think that they are kind of the heart and soul of hackathons to me in a little way. Not saying that software projects aren't. I just think hardware hacks are dang nifty, and I think everybody would generally agree. So everybody who demos here will get one of these wonderful I demoed stickers. I strongly encourage you to demo, even if it's basically just a README file that says we tried our dang best. It is totally worth your time to go through the whole process, and you will get one of these wonderful collectible stickers. It will be customized just for HackDavis, and it will be custom for any event that you. We also have the MLH Career Lab. If you're looking to see some companies that are looking to hire hackers just like yourselves, head on over to the Career Lab, see what companies are hiring right now. On a serious note, folks, Everybody here is in agreement to the MLH Code of Conduct by being here. MLH Hackathons are a safe space for everybody. If you want to read over the Code of Conduct, it's right there at URL. It's really short. It's like a page and a half. And the TLDR is harassment and abuse are never ever tolerated. If anything this weekend even makes you feel a little bit uncomfortable, do not hesitate to reach out to myself, any of the MLHers here, or any of the organizers, and we'll get it all sorted out. With that being said, thanks again to all of our wonderful partners for making all of this possible, and I hope you all make something awesome this week.
Hi everyone, my name is Jamshid, and I'm here to tell you about Pinnacle, the Olympics of hackathons. But what does that really mean? Pinnacle is a 36-hour hackathon unlike any other. We're inviting the world's top 50 collegiate hackathons to compete in an epic finale event. Each participating hackathon sends around 4 winners to represent them at Pinnacle, which is happening in fall 2021. If you haven't already guessed, you're currently competing at one of the qualifying events, HackDavis. If you win a qualifying event, you'll be flown out to San Francisco for the event on our dime. In addition, Pinnacle is inviting recruiters from competitive companies looking for someone to fill their next open internship or full-time position. Forget about winning. Even if you participate at Pinnacle, you'll be one of the top 200 hackers in the world, a Pinnacle hacker. If you don't win this weekend, don't worry. There are 49 other qualifying events, including MHacks, CalHacks, and tons more. You can view the full list of events on our website at pinnacle.us.org. If you want to help organize Pinnacle, apply to join our team of hackathon enthusiasts on our website. We'll be adding more qualifying events over the next month, so be sure to subscribe to our mailing list and social media to stay updated. Once again, my name is Jamshid. If you have any questions, I'll be around on the Discord this weekend. Be sure to check out the Pinnacle channel if you haven't already.
Hi, my name is Rob Davis, and I'm the Director of Intercultural Programs in Global Affairs here at UC Davis. Really excited to be part of this weekend's hackathon. And, as you're thinking about this whole idea of hacking for social good, I think it's reasonable to say, well, what is the good that we seek? Like, where do we define the good? Or another way to put it is, what are the global challenges that we're responding to? We think about this a lot in global affairs, not surprisingly. What we realize is that the global challenges that need some good attached to them are not challenges that exist somewhere distant. They can be right in our community, right here where we live. We often think about defining these global challenges and the hacks that you are developing to face them by looking at the UN Sustainable Development Goals. I don't know if you've ever taken the time to look at these Sustainable Development Goals, but these represent what countries around the world have said are our major global challenges for which we need solutions, including the technical solutions that you might offer. So everything from reducing poverty to reducing hunger to improving gender equality, these are our global challenges. So as you're thinking this weekend about the challenges that you want to meet and the good that you want to do, we'd encourage you to think about structuring your hack around solutions to one of these goals. In fact, we even have a prize that we will give to the team that works in multiple time zones and addresses one or more of these UN Sustainable Development Goals. Well, we're really excited to be part of it. Here's my email address if you have any questions and want to interact with me over the weekend. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. All I want to say right now is good luck and have a great time.
Hi everyone, my name is Brian Lozano and part of the Hackathon Operations and Education Outreach Programming here at Google Cloud. Our challenge this weekend at HackDavis is about Google Cloud. Cloud computing is getting things done using someone else's computer, so when you use Google Cloud, you're using Google's computers. Google Cloud lets you build, host applications and websites, store data, and analyze data, all on Google's highly scalable and reliable computing infrastructure. Some of our popular cloud products are App Engine, which help deploy web apps and mobile backends to the cloud, Firebase, our mobile development platform featuring real-time database, our databases, Cloud Firestore, Cloud SQL, and Cloud Storage. We also have the Google Maps platform that allows users to analyze the data within Google Maps in a series of multiple APIs. I also want to touch base a little bit about Google Cloud's machine learning APIs. These allow you to gain insights about your data using pre-trained machine learning models on Google Cloud. What's awesome about this is that you actually don't need to know any machine learning on how to use them. You're simply using the power of Google Cloud's machine learning APIs. Our APIs are video intelligence, vision, speech, natural language, and translation. As you can see here, we have landmark detection within the Vision API that helps to analyze what's going on in the pictures. We also have label detections that help to analyze key factors within a photo, for example, resort or swimming pool, with a confidence score from 0 to 100%. We also have face detections that help to detect all the faces in the photos and also to analyze emotions from joy, sorrow, anger, and surprise. We also had entity detection that helps to analyze keywords within your text. So for example, we have Biden, campaign trail, and election. We also have sentiment analysis to analyze how negative or how positive your texts actually are. We also have an API challenge this weekend called the best use of Google Cloud. Use any Google Cloud products, Firebase does count to qualify. Each member of the winning team will receive a Patagonia backpack and a water bottle. Every member of the second place team will receive a Parkland backpack. We also have Google Cloud credits this weekend, so check for an email from Major League Hacking to activate your $25 in Google Cloud credits. My colleague Thomas will be having a tech talk on Saturday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which he'll cover tackling big data with Google Cloud. We also have a Firebase recorded tech talk that will be made available on Discord, where my colleague Andrea will talk about Cloud Firestore, Cloud Firebase hosting, and Firebase authentication. Thank you so much for the HackDavis organizers for allowing Google Cloud to be present at HackDavis. Happy hacking and good luck on everyone's project. Bye, everyone.
Hey hackers, I'm here to tell you about DigitalOcean, a scalable compute platform with add-on storage, security, and monitoring capabilities. DigitalOcean can help you deploy your projects to the cloud, and as you grow, DigitalOcean can help you scale up. DigitalOcean allows for a seamless management of infrastructure with many of its products like Droplets, managed databases, Spaces, block storage, and one-click apps, which help you deploy pre-built applications very easily. DigitalOcean has also 12 data centers in 8 global markets. So no matter where you are, you're always assured of a strong, reliable connection to the cloud with the help of DigitalOcean. Hackers absolutely love DigitalOcean because of its simplicity and ease to use. DigitalOcean is also open source, and it has a great community network where you can keep learning and make use of all DigitalOcean features. HackDavis has partnered with DigitalOcean this year to provide a free $100 60-day trial by going to try.digitalocean.com/developer-cloud. You can also scan the QR code to redeem these credits. DigitalOcean is also providing prizes to our top winners. The winner for the best hack for social good will get $250 in DigitalOcean credits per team member, and the winners of the best beginner hack and best interdisciplinary hack will also get $125 in DigitalOcean credits per team member. Happy hacking!
And that's it from me. Feel free to rewind this live stream in case you missed anything, because I know this was a lot to take in. Happy hacking!